Good morning, Grace. Karen here with your announcements. Our annual baptism service is coming up on July 17th. This is a great time for the entire family and will be held at the local J-Lou pool. Feel free to bring a picnic and come celebrate with us. If you'd like to be baptized, contact Julie Dundee at julie@graceweb.net. The week of July the 10th to the 16th, we will be getting out in the community and getting our hands dirty with local missions. We will partner with Habitat for Humanity, Fish, Hands of Compassion, the Senior Center, and the Hope Center. We hope that you'll be able to join us in serving our city. We hope you enjoyed our last family movie night, and stay tuned. Our next one's coming up in July. Speaking of movie night, that would be a great thing to invite a friend to. So why don't you grab an invite card on your way out? And if you're visiting with us today, please take a few seconds to fill out the Connect card, which you can find in your bulletin. Bring it up at the end of the service to meet a pastor and receive a gift. You guys enjoy the rest of your service.